I'm rebuilding my Mark 1 Volkswagen Golf, suspension and brakes and everything in the rear end. And now I'm starting on the front end, so I need to put coilovers on, I need to do the brakes, all the suspension components. I got basically everything brand new, so we can just bolt everything off, clean off the rust on the body, and then just put everything fresh and new back on. This is out. I have new control arms. The only thing I need to salvage is this, the hub. So I'm gonna take this off, clean up the hub, maybe paint it, and prep all of this to accept the new parts. And then we're going in with the new parts. For the rack, I have new end links, but I don't have the medium one. I'll see if I can reuse this. If not, I'll just order it and then replace it. And also I have coilovers, so this is going out. Okay, so I've cleaned all the spots that seemed rusty, and now I'm just gonna go through, clean everything, wash it with a pressure washer, and then after it dries I'll just throw on the body protection. So the pressure washer took off a lot of the old protection, so it's now down to metal. It's still painted, the paint didn't come off, so that's fine. Now I'm gonna wait for everything to dry up and then throw the protection on finally. So here's how it looks during the day with some lights. So everything is back together, everything's bolted down and basically ready for the wheel to go on. The brakes, I do have new discs, but the calipers are not good. The original calipers are falling apart. I bought other calipers which are again not good, so I found a third set of calipers which I'm gonna go buy next week. But for now I'm just gonna put the car on wheels like this because obviously it's not moving, so it's gonna be fine. Let's see how long it takes me for the other side. Okay, so that side is done and now it's time to start this one. I'm curious to see how fast I can do it, so I'm gonna guess 20 minutes. I'm gonna start the timer now and let's see how long it takes. I'm basically done with what I could do. Now the issue is that the ball joint on the control arm is not the correct one, or the hub is wrong, or I don't know, something's wrong anyways. The old control arm ball joint is bigger, so that's why that one fit and this one doesn't. So yesterday I had an issue with the ball joint and I got a new one from Fabi Bilstein, and today we can finally put the car down on its wheels. So as you can see right here, this is the one that was not good, and this is the new one which is much wider. And yeah, basically that's it. So now I have to fit this and then we can put it back together. So let's do that. It's finally ready to be tightened down, so it's a win. It's so nice to see it being a car again. And fitment on the front is pretty good as well. There's quite a bit of camber now. I'm gonna try to fix that, but yeah, that's quite nice. But it needs to get a lot lower. Well, right now there's no engine inside, so it's sitting quite high. Also the arches are not put on correctly. Also these arches are bad, so I'm gonna throw them away, but for now at least it's a car. Nice. Well, this will conclude this video. In the next video we're gonna fit an engine. Actually already got an engine last week. Just need to swap the mounts from the old engine and then we can throw it in, hopefully start it up in the next video. We'll see. And once the engine is in, then it's just the fun stuff of putting on the lights, the interior, everything else. But for now, look at it. I'm so happy that it's a car again. It's on the wheels that I'm gonna be driving on, so it's basically how it's gonna look with extra trim, handles, side mirrors and everything, but at least the vision is here and it's quite close to be driving again, so I can't wait. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Here's a few more shots of the car.
Been wasting all my life, wasting all my life.